Okay, this peak right here writes systems of linear equations given a table of values, a graph, and a verbal description. We don't have a table of values, but we have a graph and two verbal descriptions. And all we got to do is write systems of two linear equations. So right here we need to get our M and our B for our red line. So our red line goes through the 3, and then graph the grid points. It goes through there, it goes through here, and it goes through here. To get from one grid point to the other, I'm going down 1 and over 2, aren't I? So my slope is negative 1 over 2, and it starts off at the 3. So this line right here would be y equals negative 1 over 2x plus 3. Now then let's go to the green line. It starts right here, so my b is equal to negative 2, and I'm going to put the grid points on it. This one goes up 2 over 1, doesn't it? So our slope is 2 over 1 or 2, right? So we're going to have y equals 2x minus 2. So that right there is my system of equations. Wow. Bubba Bob purchased 32 livers and gizzards at Hart's Chicken. Each liver cost $1.20 and each gizzard cost 80 cents. The total bill was $30.40. How many of each did they buy? Write the systems of equations needed to solve the problem. So they purchased chicken livers and gizzards, right? And they got 32 of them. So the livers plus the gizzards equals 32. Each liver cost is your verb, replace it with equals. So each liver equals, so a liver equals $1.20. I'm sorry, each liver equals $1.20, so I'm going to have 1.2 livers, $1.20 times the livers plus 80 cents times the gizzards equals, and I can put 0 right there, equals $30.40. Okay, so this right here would be my system. They probably are going to replace these with x's and y's, maybe on your test. So we have x plus y equals 32, and 1.2x plus 0.8y equals 30.4. Okay, if you want, you can plug that into the calculator. And I'm about to show you how. Okay, so I'm going to hit the home button. I'm going to go to calculate A. And then I'm going to hit, do I have room? I'm going to hit menu, 3, 2, and then hit enter. And then I'm going to type my equations in. X plus y equals 32. And hit the down button to go to the next equation. 1.2x plus 0.8y equals, and I got 30.4, I think. Yeah, 30.4. So 30.4, hit enter, and I get 12 and 20. Okay, so my x is equal to 12, and my y is equal to 20, and I get, these are livers, so I got 12 livers and 20 gizzards, don't I? Okay, make sure you can do the calculator. It's menu on a TI Inspire. It's menu 3, 2, enter. And you just type these equations in. Okay, Jimmy John went to Thibodeau's Cajun Cuisine for a restaurant for supper. He purchased boudin balls and stuffed crabs. A stuffed crab costs $1.20 more than a boudin ball. So this right here is what I was talking about over here. The cost will be your equal, and a stuffed crab, so a stuffed crab equals $1.20 more than a boudin ball. So we have this. He purchased 12 boudin balls and 3 stuffed crabs for $30.60. Okay, so now then let's replace these with y's and x. Since the c's all by myself, I'm going to put y equals 1.2 plus x, and then 12x plus 3y equals 30.6. And then we want to, this would be the system of equations. Calculate the cost of 15 boudin balls and 2 stuffed crabs. That's probably what's going to happen on Staar. You're going to have to write these and find the new cost. So let's plug these into the calculator. So I'm going to hit menu, 3, 2, enter, and then I'm going to type these in. So y equals 1.2 x, or 1.2 plus X, right? 1.2 plus X. Hit the down button. And then 12X plus 3Y equals 30.6. So Y equal 1.2 plus X, 12X plus 3Y, that's it. Hit enter, and I get X equals 1.8 and Y equals 3. So X equals 1.8 and Y equals 3. So my X is my what? My boudin balls, and my Y is my crabs. And I want to get 15 boudin balls. So that's going to be 15 times 1.8 plus, and I'm going to get 2 stuffed crabs. The crabs are $3, 2 times 3. So 15 times 1.8 times 1.8 plus $27 plus 2 times 13, or 2 times 3 is 6. The new price will be $33 for the 15 boudin balls and 2 stuffed shrimps. Or this should be crabs right here. He didn't change his mind.